We're back with another video. We're doing Queen and Clarence. CJ asked Clarence when he's marrying his mom. Let's get into it.
What's up, y'all?
It's your boy Clarence.
And it's your boy CJ.
And it's your girl Queen. And we are back with another. Oh, I love that, babe. High five.
We are back with another one.
I love that. We was in sync, we was in sync right there.
Right there.
We was in sync right there. I love that. I love that. We got
right there.
So y'all, we're starting this vlog out. I'm so excited right now because we got a couple new pieces in the house. You know, nothing drastic, but just some cute stuff that we've been waiting for about what, a couple of months now?
For a while.
Yeah, we've been waiting for a couple of months for these two little things that just came to our house. We had to wait for our stuff to get here before we leave, but before we leave, we're gonna show y'all the new additions.
Yeah, what we was waiting for this whole time.
But you also want to tell them what we're doing today?
Well, we woke up and there's been alerts on our phone and all over social media that there is a hurricane coming. You know what I'm saying?
Man, why are you so dramatic?
Me being from New York, you know what I mean? We don't really.
That's dramatic, boo. You right. You right, Clarence. You right to be concerned. I hope y'all are right. I hope everybody okay. Y'all be careful. God bless y'all.
Go through hurricanes. I know Queen went through like 3 hurricanes.
No, I only been in 1 hurricane. Don't even do that. When I lived in Houston.
I haven't really experienced that. So now being more on the south is like kind of, you know.
So he's scared, y'all. He's actually being dramatic.
We're gonna get ready. We're gonna get ready for the hurricane. Yeah, you ready?
We're in.
Especially when you just got a new house and you got your kids there. I'm with you, Claire. That's scary. That's something to be concerned about. I mean, even though I've been through some before, but it's just, you never know. It's so unpredictable, you know? And then, not to mention, the worst part is like after, you know, all your lights are out, the street lights are out, your water might be, you know, down, you know, the lights are, you know, it's a whole mess for like a couple weeks. So, and not to mention the food, like trying to get food at the store, you got to stock up. And then when you go back, you know, they don't have nothing either. And your cell phone service is out. It's all kind of drama. So hopefully everybody's okay.
The middle, so water's not around us. And if it does come over here, then it'll be not that bad. Sometimes it only goes by the water, so it's going to be really fast. So it might not come over here.
Let me tell you something.
You know what, CJ? High five, CJ.
No, you're right.
No, because you know what he's talking about.
But let me tell you something that you didn't think of. So now what if the power goes out and now everybody buys all the water and food from the supermarket and now we don't have nothing to eat for 2 weeks?
Then what? What's going to happen?
Then what we do?
So what should we do?
And no Wi-Fi. No Wi-Fi, so that means no game, no phone, no Nate, no nothing.
And tomorrow Friday.
A PC needs power.
So Clarence is being a little dramatic right now. He think everybody
I think how much is a generator?
Babe, we do not need to go buy no generator, babe.
No.
Yes, you do.
Well, no, we might. Though, what if the internet and everything goes out and now
Babe.
we the only people prepared?
We're gonna go shopping today for some groceries because I ain't gonna lie.
And I need to go
we
to
ran out of
Trader
very important things like chicken nuggets.
Food, yeah. I need a Trader Joe's run. You know what I'm saying?
Oh wait. So y'all see us do all that, but let's just show them because I'm excited.
What?
Oh, I'm excited.
I'm excited too.
CJ, bro, it's like you just take stuff overboard. All right, so what they are sitting at right now is our new dining table. If y'all can remember, I said that I wanted a wooden like bench dining table. I love this so much because I don't know, like I just feel like you could decorate it so nice. I feel like we're gonna end up putting a rug under it though, because it's, you know, we're gonna put a rug under there.
Yeah, let us know what color rug you guys can see under this right here.
I definitely think it should be like in more of the cream family, like not cream, but like white, light gray, cream, because our kitchen is like a mixture of.
It needs to be one of the flat rugs, so.
Yeah, it can't be like, it gotta be flat, like he said. I think it'll all mesh together once we're done. Like it's a clean canvas right now. I wanna put a little, he don't know what pompous is, y'all. And to be honest, I should be talking because I just found out what it was, but I wanna put like a nice vase right there, a big tall vase, and put some pompous in there in the corner. But anywho, y'all, I just love it. What y'all think? I think it's so cute. I think it could be decorated nice. Babe, should we put a mirror here or should we do a picture right here? On this wall.
Mirror. You definitely want to see yourself. What are you going to do?
You want to see us? You want to see us when we eat food? A picture?
Yeah.
Nah, here.
Yeah. Picture.
No, because we're going to put a mirror on this wall. Oh, snaps. Y'all, we bought a bidet. We ain't put it to the toilet yet, but I decided I want a bidet. So, we just got a new rug today as well. Well, no, this was yesterday. And I love it so much, y'all. We got it from West Elm as well. And it's actually like a frost gray, but if you like, yeah, it's a frost gray. It's a frost gray. Ooh, my hand ashy. Lord have mercy. But like, it's just fluffy enough to like feel good and put your feet into, but it's not to where like the remote will get lost in here. So that's what I really love about this rug. I was gonna get a flat rug, but I seen this and I like fell in love with how soft and nice it is. So we got that. CJ. Nothing. I had thought you did something on my couch. But. So yeah, so we're working on that. We're working on an entry table to be right there where the door is. Tell them how comfy it is.
It is very comfy. It's fluffy. But like I remember we had a fluffy one in the old house, but things used to get lost in it.
No, that's what I just told him. I said it's like fluffy enough, but it's not bad where like the remote and stuff get lost in here.
Like
so
it's good.
It's good. It's vacuumable.
See, it's like 2 different colors. You see that? When it's like that, it's like gray. But then when it's like this, it's white.
Yeah, so little by little, y'all, we are, putting little things in here, but you gotta wait. I guess you're right, it do take time. And then I wanna show you.
I do like the sofa rug setup.
We had got these at the store in the vlog where we took CJ shopping for shoes. So I thought this was really cute, this little figurine. And then there's this one too. And then, I don't know if we might like keep this here, but I do know that we need some more like books like this. I don't know what kind. Tell us what you think we should add in here. And then I want to go to IKEA and get some fake plants. Sorry to all the plant lovers, but like I only do fake because I don't got time to be watering stuff. They'll probably die with me.
Bro, this kid wants a PC so bad.
I told CJ that if he is good for the whole year in school, by the time Christmas comes, I'll get him a PC. But he gotta be good he can't get in trouble at school. And his grades gotta be good. Lord have mercy. But anywho, what I wanna do, since I feel like we have like a lot of dark accents to offset the rug and the couch being so light, I wanted to go to Hermes and buy 2 pillows, but it's like a black and, actually, hold on, wait, let me show y'all my phone. So yeah, this is a pillow I was looking at for the couch. I wanted to get actually 2 of these to go on each side, and I wanted to get the blanket that was just like it to put on the couch. So I thought that would look really nice since like it's a lot of dark. What are we gonna do with that pillow? I feel like we could keep that pillow or put it somewhere else, like in our room. So yeah, I think that would be really nice, and then we gotta add plants and more things. Hi, Legend.
Legend, look at the new table. Come,
you like the table? Come look.
So big, but I like that table too for kids, especially, because it's big enough for him to get up there by himself, and like adult tables are kind of hard. You got to put him up in the seat, you got to get him down, or he's gonna sit somewhere else. But that's a nice family gathering table.
I feel. Do you like it?
I like the new table.
You want to sit here and you want to eat your food?
Yeah.
What do you want to eat on the table?
Grapes.
Grapes.
You want to eat grapes on the table?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to eat grapes on the new table.
Legend, tell me what store you want to go to. What store you want to go to today?
I love you always.
Aww. They love you too, I'm sure. But
so sweet. We love you too, Legend. Look at him. He loves us, y'all. Baby Fatty Film.
Tell them what store you want to go to today.
The toy place.
No, but there was a certain store you said earlier, Legend.
You never want to say stuff.
Bruh, he don't say stuff for the camera, but
Paw Patrol surprise.
I know you want a Paw Patrol surprise, but what store do we gotta go to get it? It starts with a T. What's the store name?
Tag. No, don't.
Babe, why did you say Tag? No, Target. Remember?
Target.
Yes, you didn't remember?
Yeah. Wait, what else? I'm going to get Timmy ball.
Okay, I'm gonna get you some grapes so you can eat some on the table. Hold on.
CJ really don't need a PC. Like
Yes, I do.
you don't really need one. You got an Xbox. You got a PS5.
No, I don't.
You got a Nintendo Switch.
Yeah.
So why you need a PC? Give me 3 reasons.
PCs are better. PCs are good.
He said he gonna do his homework.
Not 3 reasons. That's not a good argument. I could really put in a good word for you on the PC. That's what I'm saying. Or I could even buy you one. That's what I'm saying. If you give me three good reasons.
Good 3 reasons.
Yeah. What's the 3 good reasons why you want a PC?
Because I've been good at school, and because.
What can a PC do
So why do y'all move around so much when y'all talking?
Why they do that?
Like, what's up?
Because I've been good.
Y'all doing spins while you're talking to the camera.
Because I've been good at
Let
school.
them be all up under the table too.
You gotta let them hear you.
I've
They
been,
the ones that's gonna tell me if I should buy it or not. If I should just get it for you.
I've been good at school and good in school.
You only have good one reason?
No, I've been 2 more.
He's so handsome. Oh, he's so big now. He's in 3rd grade. Oh my gosh, CJ.
Good in school and
Alright, you only have one good.
no, I don't. I have 2 more.
So why don't you say it?
Stop laughing. I deserve it because.
Did you just look up why you deserve a PC on Safari?
Boy.
Well, let me see your Safari. Why are you getting answers from your phone?
I won't.
See, what's so good about a PC that's better than Xbox?
So here, I got 3 because I've been good at school.
You said that
Yeah.
18 times.
1, and then and because PC, I can really get on with my friends and.
Alright, you can just wait till your mom buy it for you. You're not giving me good reasons. You're not giving me good reasons.
Yeah, 2 more times.
You could get online with your friends. You could get online with your friends now.
No, 2 more
With your
times.
Xbox.
2 more times. I deserve it because I like PCs and they are not similar to Xbox and they are way better. And then the 3rd one is because I do good in math and any other subject. That's 3 good.
Oh, he does good at math. Yo, see, that's why CJ couldn't be my kid. I would buy him one just because he's so cute. And he do good at math. I mean, I'm all for that because I'm terrible at math. So kudos, CJ. You keep up good work, boo-boo.
Reasons.
Do you think so? You think those are good reasons?
Yes.
You think so?
Yes.
Okay, so let me ask. I'm asking them. All right, y'all. So let me know if those are 3 good reasons in the comment section to get CJ a PC. Let me know if those are 3 good enough reasons. You sure that's your final answer? Final 3 answers?
Yes.
Okay. You okay?
Yes.
Sometimes you get too excited and you can't control yourself. All right, you guys.
I know they're gonna say yes.
You guys let us know. They might say no.
They might say yes.
Okay. So let us know in the comment section, and then we'll see what they say.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Thank you,
No, who to say it to?
Thank you. Who?
Daddy.
You're welcome, son.
Oh my God, Daddy did not get you them grades.
Can Daddy have a grape? Thank you.
That's why you had hair on it.
Hey, dude, why is there hair on my grape? There's mad hair on this grape, legend. What did you do? Yeah, take the hair off. Thank you.
Yo, vlog, what's goody? It's your boy M.O. Duty.
Hey, Mike.
What?
He eating chicken and fries, y'all.
M.O. duty is crazy.
M.O. Duty.
We got
M.O. Duty? So like you got mad dookie in your butt. All right, y'all. We've been in the car for feel like a while, but we really haven't. And we about to grab something to eat before we go pick up my, so Popeye's gonna be our first stop. Clarence wanted some ghost pepper wings, but I thought you had them already.
Some wings. Yeah. You don't want that?
No, I don't have some Popeyes. It's just that, like, I don't know if that's the first thing I should put in my stomach is greasy chicken, but it'll be okay.
That's the best time to put some greasy chicken in here.
Oh, in the morning? I mean, well, it's not even the morning.
Not the
It's
morning.
4:43.
Guys, guess what?
What?
I'm gonna get a piece here.
Legend, where you want to go?
The mall.
Legend keeps asking. I just want to go to the mall. I want to go to the mall. And it's just so funny because I don't even think I've taken him to the mall ever. Ooh, hold on. They got an Oreo cheesecake?
Yeah, now
Oh.
I want to go to Popeyes.
Oh. So no. Hey.
They got sweet and spicy wings now. That's what I want to try.
Oh,
Not the
yeah.
ghost pepper joint,
Oh,
sweet and spicy.
yeah. I might give it.
You be dragging it.
No, I ain't gonna lie. I am dragging it though. I ain't gonna lie.
Mango lemonade.
Oh no, it's frozen.
No.
Oh shit. Legend, you want some chicken?
No.
You want some chicken, CJ? You want some fries?
No.
Y'all don't want nothing? These kids. All right, what are we gonna get, man? What am I gonna get, man? We ended up going to Popeyes. We ended up ordering, it was a ruckus. Cause I ordered chicken nuggets at first. He ordered the sweet and savory, sweet and spicy wings.
She's always gonna change her mind about her order.
Food.
At least twice. At least twice. And then before she orders, she has a question. Do you guys have spicy nuggets? Even though there's no spicy nuggets on the menu, she's gonna ask because maybe they could get it done for her. That's what
I don't know. I don't know why I'm like that, y'all. Every
She
time
does it everywhere, dinner everywhere, diner, like it doesn't matter where, yo. It's like.
But you know what? To Queen's point though, if you got ghost wings, you should have ghost nuggets, right? I mean, they should have some spicy nuggets with Queen, y'all. Y'all get it together. Next time she come, y'all make her spicy.
tired of me.
No, bro. She
like,
just leads to, like, you give me anxiety, though, bro. Just now, I ordered her food, right? So her order is done. Then I try to go to my order. She's like, no, add 2 strawberry biscuits. So then I'm like, I'm in the middle of my order, so now I'm forgetting now it's mass confusion. She's like, but do you still want what you were saying just now? And I'm like, yeah, but can you just add 2 strawberry biscuits?
Crying?
Now Legend's crying. Now CJ's asking for an Oreo McFlurry. And then now I'm like, all right, can you just put her? Now I'm trying to get to my order. And now she's like, oh, no, change the. I'm like.
So make sure you add.
Hey, it's hard being a dad. It's hard being the man in the house sometimes. Like, your order gets confused and you come last sometimes, bro. He a good dad, though.
Onions too. He want onions on.
I'm like, yo, now it's like now I'm just confused, and the lady on the thing is confused.
So we went to McDonald's for the kids because they want to McDonald's. For us, for Popeyes, it's not my fault. They got my order wrong because I did order, chicken, and then the chicken wasn't good, so I had to just go ahead and get the sweet and spicy wings too. They brought 3 mac and cheeses. It was only supposed to be 1 mac and cheese, and my fries. They didn't bring my fries. Well, they did bring my fries.
They forgot my dirty rice.
They forgot my strawberry biscuits.
That's why though. There's mass confusion. If you just let me talk,
well, you
like,
be forgetting little things.
Let me talk, but save it to the end so I can already. So it's no.
I be making Clarence. So I be making Clarence. He feel like he.
Bro, Queen do that all the time, bro. Yo, bro, she do that at the diner. Like, it'll be like 8 of us, right? She done ordered 2 people ago. Now she's cutting off. She's like, oh, excuse me, can you come back? Like, now it's like in the middle of someone talking. It's like.
I can't help it. I really need to work on that. I can't help it. I'm so indecisive. Like, and then it's just like, I do have to ask questions. Like, because even though stuff don't be on the menu, it's like, maybe they can make it work. Like, And I be wanting to know what stuff is
that's
before I
what
order
the
it.
special privilege joint is, though.
No, that's not special privilege.
Who's making you spicy nuggets back there?
No, I didn't know if they had it on there or not. So I just want to just see. Like,
Just so you don't look at the menu.
no, I wasn't looking. I pretty much
You ever went to Popeyes and got spicy nuggets, though?
No, but I know they have spicy chicken. I love you, babe. I really do.
I love you, too.
I love you. I know you're tired of me.
No, I wouldn't say tired. You just gave me anxiety. Now I gotta come
You
back
want me to calm
down.
it down?
I gotta calm back down because, like...
You want me to calm your anxiety then? Wait, stop. Now you're being... Okay. Now you being dramatic.
Heart racing all fast, like...
Wait, CJ, you eating your ice cream before your burger?
Well, you see, and he knows better than that. And it's like, people in here just...
Legend was crying while we was trying to order.
Yeah, but like a little game. I'm like, yo, bro, I can't even hear Shorty.
Legend had real tears.
Can't even hear Shorty.
CJ, how about to get your burger? This man is outside stretching, bro, and trying to just get some air because he said we just like...
Oh, Claire, he gotta go outside and detox. Like, take your shoes off, pool, and be one with the earth or something. You know, give you some little earth in the end. let your grass and your toes mingle and stuff. You know, Pope baby. He said I need to get away from it all for like 1 minute. I'll be back, y'all.
He said we just brought his anxiety up so he had to get some air.
You know why I know you're gonna f with it? Because you like Polynesian sauce. It tastes like Polynesian wings. Yo, what's good, y'all?
I'm all for Polynesian patty.
He about to try some of the wings that Clarence got from Popeye. Go ahead.
You want a wing?
Yes. No.
No, they busting. CJ, you're wild.
Yeah, I came here and I just had the urge to clean my table. It was a bunch of stuff on here and I took it off. And you know, this is a man, bro. Like this is you can tell it's a man crib. But this, I just want to clean it so bad. So I'm about to clean it. The kids are back there hopping on squares. Kids make fun of anything.
This is the right for this, but it's a little dry.
Bro,
I think that's the best thing about kids. They really can make fun out of anything.
I'm dead. That rag's so stiff. I am dead. Let me see that rag.
Shoot, my bruh, baby. We came just in time. See, Queen. Good job, sis. Your sister's looking out for you. She about to help you with your laundry, get you some fabric softener, clean that table for you. You needed Joseph's back, boy.
Oh my goodness, bro.
It's a little stiff.
He need a girlfriend. He need a girlfriend.
That's what I was about to say. I was gonna say that. I was trying not to, but Queen said it for me. Yes, sir. You need a girlfriend or a maid. Cause bruh. Yeah. I ain't mess with your towel. You need to get some paper towels somewhere.
I thought it was supposed to be a hurricane today, bro. Yeah. Fake ass hurricane. So where we at, man? Trader Joe's room. So Trader Joe's. About to go crazy. I'm about to put mine on. Bro, you're not putting me on to Trader Joe's. You know what I've noticed? Niggas hate when you put them on. Bro, you niggas hate it. Bro, you're not putting me on. Before? Yeah, bro. Alright, my fault. I thought I was putting them on. Damn, I don't even need this much of a cart though. So Queen's getting some flowers for the crib.
Some yellow flowers. I usually go roses.
I like that yellow house to the top. That's cute, girl. I like the yellow coordination of the couple. You know, her and Claire's mansion, but that's a cute top.
Yeah, red roses, but I do want to, like, the yellow is just like a pop of.
We all got yellow on.
Yeah, the yellow is like a pop of.
So yellow flower.
I like the shoes too.
Oh, it's me and Ma, we already went Trader Joe's crazy. Like, examine his stuff like you did mine.
Oh, okay.
Fried rice, bussin'.
Bussin'. Hold on. Yeah. You ain't gonna be ash. Salmon burger's gonna be good. Okay. Mandran, that chicken is bust.
You love you some rice.
I ain't gonna lie.
I'm not gonna lie, you fuck with rice.
Look, wait, did I leave you hanging, bro?
Nah, you did.
I'm sorry, I see it.
Let me teach you a trick. It's a trick right here. This is what you do on the low.
This is what they do in the middle of Trader Joe's.
Now you done.
No one owns in New York.
Can't lift your foot.
No one owns in New York.
Anyway, y'all, I came in here and we decided to buy stuff for a salad. So we got some spring mix. We got a nice little long cucumber. We got a red onion. I got some mini peppers because I would put it in mine. I don't know about nobody else. 3 little baby tomatoes. I bought some watermelon too. Clarence wants hard-boiled eggs. We better go grab some cheese. There's something else over there. Oh wait, Evanescence.
Evanescence?
Is this the song? Is this from your emo era? This is the Sucaritas.
Don't mind her. She's
No, this is my song.
This is the Sucaritas.
Wake me up inside.
Is this when you were a Sucarita?
He's weird too.
Yeah, he like it.
He's like, yeah, I'm totally
Save me. All right, y'all, we are loading up and getting ready to go. I promise you not near. I promise you today. And then we're headed off to Tarjay. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, the weather is starting up. It's looking crazy outside. And Clarence is about to run.
one of those. I'm not gonna lie, being a man.
I need to stock up on water, y'all. I mean, if we get hurricane ready, poo. Oh, child, you need to board up the windows. Y'all go ahead and drop some tips just in case, you know, anybody else needs to know, y'all. Drop it in the comments.
I gotta go get the car.
No, babe, just here. Use the umbrella and bring it back. Here.
No, babe, I'm not.
Babe, no one cares. Take the umbrella.
Not take it away. You were yeah.
She said no one cares. Queen being Betty film today. Okay, sis.
He's out.
Isn't this for use? Okay, whatever. CJ, move back. Well, I'm using it. I don't know about y'all.
Mike,
No,
can I
he's in
use
it.
it?
Did you catch him in it?
Oh, no, I didn't catch him in it. Oh, I like that blue Jeep. That's a nice color blue.
I'm about to group all the shopping so that this could be easy. This is my task. This is how.
All right, bruh. You know what? This is it. Like, I'm all for, like, you know, don't use biodegradable. Use some, you know, some brown paper bags. But if your bag get wet, if your brown bag get wet, it's awful. Your stuff is all over the ground. You trying to pick up stuff. Give me a bag. If it's raining, I would have went right back to the counter like, I need to buy some plastic bags out here or something. Because I'm not going to go in no dang nigga storm with no brown paper bags. I mean, they kind of look sturdy, but I'm just saying. I've had it happen before. Get wet, the bottom fall out, it's all bad.
This is how Uncle Mod helps.
Oh, yeah, we love Uncle Mod. Say we love Uncle
We do love Uncle Mod.
We love Uncle Mom.
Yeah. All right, y'all. I'm about to make a second trip.
Okay, she's trying to get out, Mod.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Come on, wait till they leave out.
So you guys, it is pouring right now. We're in the middle of the hurricane. We're in the middle of the hurricane. We're trying to get out. You know what I'm saying? I'm soaked. This is what 5 seconds of being in the rain got me.
Babe, no one cares. Take the umbrella.
Not taking
Too late. You were yeah, man.
But we got what we needed. But Legend still wants to go to Target to get a toy, which is crazy.
At least I'm getting a toy too.
And you want a toy too? I thought you was past that.
I want Goku.
Yeah, my boy. What? Yeah. You don't even like Goku.
Yes, I.
That baby is 9 though. I be forgetting too, Claire, but he need a toy. Let brother live.
Yeah, we had a whole talk. We had a whole talk in there about.
Wait, look at the windshield though. Look at how
No, I know. It's I
somebody
can't
got
see.
hazards in front of us.
Yeah, he's having a hard time. I know.
Nah, babe, you can't even do
Oh,
that.
nah, I'm not gonna lie. I can barely see that.
Yeah, you're wildin'. Yeah, you're wildin'.
This is the apocalypse mobile.
No, it's not.
But the world
No,
is
it's
ending.
not. I swear he just asked.
She is so funny. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, he said, "Are you Clarence's wife yet?" I said, "I don't know. You gotta ask him."
That finger crazy. Not yet, CJ. But soon. Like you want me to?
Oh,
I like that, man.
Oh, you heard it from
I got the
you heard it from the
approval. I got
child.
the approval from Big CJ.
Look at both of their heads in the back. All right, y'all. It's y'all time to shine, Legend. Y'all have 2 minutes to go and search for a toy that you want. Whatever toy you land on first, that's the one you getting.
Okay.
Hold on, wait, with CJ. I didn't start it yet.
Yo, CJ's on right now.
On your march, get set, go. Dun, 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 dun.
What should I get?
Huh?
Fortnite.
You got 2 minutes, Legend, to pick what toy you want.
Which toy? Roblox, Fortnite.
I thought you said Goku, CJ. Legend, what you? Legend, I thought you said Paw Patrol.
I'm trying to find Goku.
Come on, this is not the only section. Look. More toys, Legend. Oh, wow. Look, Legend.
Oh, that's a big Mario.
Look. He excited. Look at this, Legend.
Look, you got all the characters in this one.
What's this one?
Who's that?
It's Yoshi.
And that?
Luigi.
And that?
Super Mario.
And that?
Princess Peach.
And that?
Toad.
And who's that?
Piranha Plant. Bob Boom. King Boo.
Boo? And what's that?
Goomba.
Last but not least?
And so Bowser.
Bowser.
Oh, he's so smart. Good job, Legend. Yay.
Look. I think we found your Paw Patrol surprise. Look, come over here. There goes a Paw Patrol toy, but that's for a little kid.
Oh, the Firebuds.
You like the Firebuds? Oh, Firebuds? Look what Daddy got.
Do you want this?
It's a bowling set.
Yeah, they don't have Goku here.
Peppa Pig.
It's the longest 2 minutes. That's when you know you good parents. They're like, 2 minutes and restart. They want to make sure they get something they really, really like. So that's super sweet.
Oh, wow. I like it. I like Peppa Pig.
Oh, Bluey.
We got a winner. He excited about that one.
Well, you already got Bluey's at home. What's wrong, CJ? They ain't got
Let's
Goku?
go ask.
No, it ain't got it, CJ. They don't have it.
It would be in the Pokemon section.
You got to figure out something else you want. What's that?
I want a doll house.
Oh, God,
It's
man.
a doll house.
He said he want a dollhouse.
A dog house?
No, a dollhouse.
Led, you want a dog house?
Yeah.
Do you want the Mario toys?
No.
Do you want the Play-Doh?
No.
Do you want the kinetic sand?
No.
Do you want the Peppa Pig?
No.
Do you want the bowling?
No.
Well, then what you want?
Play-Doh.
I just said that. I'm gonna be honest, this toy not really it. Hopefully he forgets about it.
I'm like, yo, CJ, you ever played this game Trouble? He's like,
No,
yeah.
Legend.
I'm sorry.
Oh my, Legend just ran up and hugged somebody, y'all.
Yeah, he's getting too excited.
CJ is sad because he can't find the game. What is that, CJ?
Slime.
Lord have
CJ.
mercy. You don't need that big bucket of slime, though. Look at these, babe. Number blocks.
Number blocks.
Hey,
Number
grab it.
blocks.
I wasn't sure what we was getting.
Look. Look. You want it?
Yeah. This. It's with your fingers and your skate.
CJ decided to get the Hot Wheels skating set. Finally back home. And Legend is
Can I have a surprise
hot and
on
ready.
my back?
You want to open it up?
Yeah.
Let's open up your number blocks. Come on. 2 fingers.
Boom. 2 fingers. Boom.
And then roll it.
Oh, he's so cute.
This. Whoosh.
Nice, Legend. Oh, God. He went. Yo,
See, I like bowling too, Legend.
this is how the rug looks at night. It's like a
It's coming
gray.
along. You guys said it was gonna take a long time. It's coming along.
We're going to put a nice, like, mirror right here. Like, I want one of those mirrors with the rounded top. Ooh. We need to plan for our Christmas tree, too, because we got to have a bomb Christmas tree. I'm having somebody set it up. Wow. Are you proud of your work?
Yeah.
What is it? What'd you make?
A rainbow.
You made a rainbow number blocks? Let's look at it. This one has wheels. You can drive that one?
Yeah.
Do it. Show me. Wow. Look, you guys. I put a nice little...
Can I let it go?
That's what I did with the flowers. Are you ready for bed so you can go to school tomorrow?
No.
That's right.
We're sitting here doing math with CJ. I feel like, bro, this is crazy how time you change it. They're sitting here doing his math with him before tomorrow.
I wish someone did my math.
Nah, he's doing his thing right now, CJ. I'm not gonna lie. He's
CJ,
doing his thing.
All right. Glad he got his PC. Good job, CJ.
that PC, if you keep.
I'm not giving up. Yeah, doing your thing, CJ. That's your homework for today. You knocked that right out.
You sitting here laughing because Ma just hold it, Ma. Clarence said, "Quick, catch this."
You see that?
No,
Whole
baby,
difference.
you can't do that, baby.
I did that to him and he caught it. Kid caught
Do it again. See if you catch it.
He caught it with his right hand, like he was like Spidey.
Okay, let's see. Wait. Spidey.
That was crazy. I'm not gonna lie, Spidey is OD. Just pause. Yeah. Look at you gripping. Now look at you gripping the handle. Why you gripping the handle like that? Yeah, well, we're gonna go do the grip.
Kids are asleep. We about to make the salad. Oh, y'all, look what I got from Publix.
Why'd you do it?
Anything for Selena's. Ay, como me duele. Love you. All right, so I'm up here.
Oh yeah, you want to see what I got going on?
Yeah, hold on.
Come here real quick.
I'm cutting the cucumbers.
About this color egg.
Oh.
That don't look different to you? That
It look
yolk
like-
compared to this yolk?
Yeah. It look kind of undone.
It's a little young.
But it's
that
little
chicken-
young chicken.
That chicken was about to hatch, yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, as you can see, Clarence is he's cutting the egg. I had cut the cucumbers and I'm about to cut some red onion and tomatoes for the salad. My cut up the chicken and I'm telling you, he's a chicken man.
Come on, y'all know. Now this is what I do.
Oh my
I
goodness.
get straight to it. Come on now.
Oh, that looks good.
Look good. See, might be cooking.
Put the Aki way over here. We heat it up. Boom. Come on now.
Ma, you need a cooking channel.
I'm working on it.
You really do. I'm subscribing, y'all. Get you a cooking channel, Sweet Pea. Like, I am on there because he made some stuff a couple times on his channel. I was like, what?
Working on it because they don't really know what I'm capable of. They don't really know that this
Give me a man that can cook any day.
is what I do. You see how, come on. And it's
Man, it
young.
looks so good. Look like I'm in Yemen.
Come on now. Hello.
Ooh, that smell good. That smell good, sir. Sir, that smell good.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you.
We got all the stuff cut up right now. Clarence is over here making the vinegar.
Don't say Clarence. Don't say this. He has the fork. He has the spoon right now. He's trying it on. Clarence is making it. Bro, this kid
What happened?
poured half a bottle of bro. When he
Oh my lord.
look how much he put in there. It was brand new.
Nah, they were trying
Now
to whip
it's
up some salad
oily.
dressing and this
And now the
was
nigga made
crazy.
me waste 6 lemons.
And y'all was really over here
Give me
for
the
a
camera.
long
Give me the
time.
camera. You taste this.
Oh my goodness, bro.
Figure it out. That's like. Wait, mix it up. Before you
Uh,
That's like egg drop
My-
soup. Mix it up before you taste it.
You know what? It's not terrible, but it does feel like a ton of oil, and it just like the
It's
oil.
oily.
It's too much oil. It's way too much oil. But I see what you was doing and where you was going. You just overdid it.
Yeah, you just overdid it.
Mine. You overdid it.
You overdid it. That was you. That was wild.
Who put the oil? Who put the oil in? Ma, who put the oil?
Yo, you a snitch. That's crazy. Nah, you a snitch. He put the oil in it. The only thing I did was squeeze and waste 5 lemons.
The lemon is what made it taste better.
I know. I would have saved it. He said I was putting too much lemons. So if we put more garlic and a little more lemon. No more garlic, Mod. Look how much garlic is in
No,
there.
Mama, honestly, I don't know if that's gonna even work. But you know what? It could.
Nah. Niggas could have just used the green goddess and called it a day. But niggas want to be a chef.
The green gotta smell good, but
Taste it. It's right there. I pulled it. Right there.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's fake busting. I should still ass. Bro, it's over, bro. I'm about to just spray some lemons and some green goddess on my shirt. Call this day. I was trying to. Yeah. I really thought he was doing this. Man, you really thought he was doing something? Like,
No,
he's
because I don't want like for a
Yo,
minute.
man,
I
got
was
the-
just very quiet.
No, but he was watching a TikTok video. He was watching a TikTok video. Bro, Did you not tell me to pull up the TikTok video?
Yeah,
we not
because you said you was doing a vinaigrette, bro.
Together.
This is
all
not
of a sudden,
a vinaigrette, bro.
You're crazy.
This is not a vinaigrette,
bro.
I'm just laughing because y'all was
This
so
is a collab.
silent. Like, I just knew that once y'all came to
Like
collab.
scrambled eggs. This was a collab.
It's not a collab. That's not a collab. I'm not putting my name on that.
Bro.
You fucking pterodactyl neck. You gotta be tight. All the way back here, but his neck is above him. He's solid. He's busting it down. Like,
Just because you can eat all your frosted flakes in one scoop. Don't try to.
well, Queen said I had a powerful jaw.
Don't try to make that
Because everything he eats is like it makes a crunch. It don't matter how soft it is, he makes a crunch sound. So I said he had a powerful jaw. And then Maya was agreeing.
Like, he can fight a shark.
Oh, he can fight a shark.
And you could save a cat from a burning house.
He said he got an elongated neck. He could say he could stick his neck to save a cat.
You got a fire escape neck. I'm about to get on you too. I'm not gonna lie.
What you about to say about me?
You really started it.
How did I start it? All I said was, babe, you got a hella crunchy salad. No, that be what I got, babe? Tell me what I got.
You got a real I can fit in anything head. Like, you got a small dome.
Man, I can fit in anything head.
Yeah, like you could just really get out of in between the fence.
You know what you look like? You look like you could bite a door and lay on the ground.
What?
Hey, you look like you could bite a door and lay in the air horizontal by his jaw.
It like swing back and forth? A strong head, strong
You know
jaw.
what your neck look like you could do? You look like you could eat from another person's plate without the notice. Like, you just like look over like really just do some neck shit like you feel me like it really look like your neck grow back.
Yo, you wanna know what it look like you could do?
Whatever, bro.
It look like you could do bite ups. Like you bite the bar and just like you just bite the bar, you just pull your whole body up. Like you just bite like your neck come out, like you bite it. Yeah.
Nah, you right. You probably right. But it looked like what you never went through. You know what you never went through in your life? I can tell you've never got lost in Disney World. Niggas always see you. Niggas just stick out.
Oh, there's mine right there. There's mine right there.
That's mine right there. You see?
How'd you go?
She tried to go crazy.
No, wait. I just thought of it. Oh, wait. Oh, here you go. No. There he is. Way over there by the...
Yeah, two amusement.
Way over there by the...
Two rides down. First of all, next to Mickey.
First of all,
I'm sorry. Go ahead on me.
First of all, if you laid on a bag of grapes with your head,
If I lay on a bag of grapes,
with your head, you blend them right in. You be camouflaged.
you know, honestly, I think y'all jokes are funnier about each other. No, for real.
My nigga ain't having my joke though. That's it.
No, cause like my head is like really not that small.
You got a great bag.
It ain't that small. I'm sitting here trying to look at it through the mirror.
Nah, your head is mad handheld.
Handheld head.
Like you got a handheld head, like you take this shit on the go, man.
Like this.
Yeah, man, it's a real vlogging.
Vlog stick
Yeah,
head.
it's not really a DLSR. Like you got a vlogging camera head.
I look like my head grow back.
His neck grow back. Yo, I know y'all done finished y'all salad, but I ain't finished mine. I don't know why.
Nah, you're not.
You're not really on this healthy anymore.
I think I messed it up with the. I messed it up with the. I'm not a vinegar person. I put.
Why'd you go vinegar?
Babe, you just heard yourself. You sound like a vacuum cleaner.
I need seconds. I need a second salad.
Alright, I'm about to try to eat this, y'all. Alright, y'all. We're gonna end this vlog out because there's nothing more to really do or say. But I will say this. The weatherman was capping because, I mean, I kind of knew it wasn't gonna be any hurricane, but I just knew it was gonna be. They put Georgia in a state of emergency. There was no state of emergency. Thank God. But like, we was banking on that for this vlog. Clarence and Mata over there cleaning the kitchen together, and I'm enjoying this so much. I'm just sitting back at the new table.
Me too. I'm so glad. They're so nice.
And watching it, and I'm just glad they're friends again. It's like every other.
Yes, ma'am. My heart is all warm and fuzzy. I'm so glad they're friends again too, Queen. Good job for getting them back together, because I missed this. They went shopping together. Like, it's a tear. It's a tear. The boys are back.
They grilling. They're like laughing, making jokes. Babe, what you gotta say about the end of the vlog? I got it zoomed in on you. What you wanna say?
It wasn't a hurricane.
Are you gonna admit that you like kind of was a little dramatic?
No, that's only because there wasn't a hurricane. But if there was one, then niggas would have been jacking. I was well prepared.
I guess it's better to be over prepared than not. I feel it.
We got food, you know?
We got salad and things from Trader Joe's. Hey, y'all think I should dye his gray patch? Because I see it way from over here. Like,
I kind of like it, though. It's a little bit of character, you know? I mean, the girls might like it. She said, I see it from way over here. I saw it, too, but I wasn't going to mention it. But see, again, Queen is petty pound today. She's so funny.
Do y'all think he should dye that, or like should he keep it?
Today in Trader Joe's, I did him right. He said, do I look dirty? He said, well,
No. He said, how old do I look? He was like,
you do have a great patch. So that's kind of giving it away.
Yeah, that's gonna be on guard. But he said it was fire though.
I ain't gonna lie, you could take that gray patch like blonde, like Wiz Khalifa old days.
Blonde? Hell no. 17?
No, it's probably because when you look 17, when you was 17, you probably look 12.
Yeah.
So now you can look like an actual 17-year-old since you never got that chance. You went straight from 12 to 27.
She's killing me. She's wild.
No.
She's wild. She's slow.
No, it's only because you said that you had a growth spurt. No, it's only because you said, didn't you say for a while you was very just little and
yeah, I was 5'5".
young looking? Yes, I'm only going off what you said.
5'6", and then after freshman year, I was like 6 foot.
12 to 24. All right, y'all, we're gonna end this vlog. Peace out. Love you guys. Look at my little roll right here.
Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Noodle Squad. I love this. The family's back together.